In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, all the praises and thanks be to Allah, the Lord of all mean. Honorable Mr. Justice Shazaib Ali Khan, Admiral Judge IT and Overseas Pakistani Cell. Honorable Mr. Justice Jawad Hassan, Mr. Ashraf Das, Acting DG, Punjab Judicial Academy, the Commissioner of the Overseas Punjab Pakistan Commission, the Chairman PITB, the learned judges from District Judiciary, Session Judge Lahore, Directors of the PJA, Assalamu Alaikum. I'm here to explain how the web portal of the Overseas Pakistani Cell in the website of the Honorable Lahore High Court Lahore is being used as a helping tool for overseas Pakistanis for voicing their grievance. When we click the Overseas Pakistani Cell, there is an introduction part. It tells that about 9 million Pakistanis are living abroad and constituting a substantial chunk of economic backbone of Pakistan. The Lahore High Court, being the oldest judicial institution in Asia, has always taken initiative in addressing grievances of the public at large, battling human rights breaches and addressing great questions of tomorrow. In the similar fashion, it has gone an extra mile helping to ensure the speedy disposal of cases for overseas Pakistanis. The basic objective for the establishment, for the development portal in the website and for evolving a mechanism for addressal of the grievance of the overseas Pakistani is to curb the inordinate delay in the scene of these cases because of the inability of the overseas Pakistanis to pursue their court cases from abroad and hurdles in employing counsel. An online web portal is developed to address the queries of the overseas litigants in this connection to the extent of law Lahore. The director, Mr. Johnson Bernard, please stand up. Mr. Johnson Bernard is the secretary of the cell and Mr. Arif Dar is the director of the cell and Mr. Arif Dar is the secretary of the cell, and they deal with the queries and the grievances of the voices raised by the overseas Pakistanis, not only related to the High Court cases but also to District Judiciary cases. Please. Then there are special benches for the overseas Pakistanis to hear the overseas Pakistani cases. The Honorable Chief Justice Muhammad Amir Bhatti, Mr. Justice Muhammad Amir Bhatti, the architects of the jurisprudential development in the Lahore High Court, Mr. Shazaib Ali Khan, Civil and Constitutional Matters, and Mr. Jawad Hassan, Constitutional, Commercial and Foreign Award Matters, and Mr. Justice Chaudhry Muhammad Masood Jahangir, dealing with the civil matters. As Ms. Waida Rafiq said, that this web portal is very helpful for the overseas Pakistani as well, because in this web portal there are laws like Pakistan Citizenship Act 1951 and Punjab Overseas Pakistan Commission Act 2021. And also there are judgments of the Honorable Lahore High Court Lahore, landmark judgments mostly authored by the judges. We are fortunate enough that we have today Shazaib Ali Khan Sahab and Justice Jawad Hassan, that they are the architect so far as the jurisprudential development in the overseas Pakistani cases have evolved. Now there are judgments of the Supreme Court, and all these judgments are also available in the PDF format. The litigants, the overseas Pakistanis, the lawyers, the stakeholders can download the judgments in the PDF format for better understanding. Then most importantly, the online complaint mechanism in this web portal. There are two complaint forms. The first one is dealing with the cases pending in the High Court, and that is dealt by the director, Mr. Johnson Bernard. The overseas Pakistani sitting present in any part of the world can fill in these blank in these fields: first name, phone number, email address, his CNC number, and basically they have to also attach the proof of their of that fact that they are overseas Pakistanis, their Akama or visa, their identity, and they have to submit that complaint form. And when they push that button submit, that email will be generated and that will automatically transmitted to the director if the case is pending in the High Court, and if the second form is for District Judiciary and जो 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 फ़र्क है वो सिर्फ सिलेक्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट, किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट का केस है, तो जो वो सबमिट करेंगे तो देन ई विल बी जनरेटेड टू द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द सेल। लास्टली उसमें जो कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं, कॉन्टैक्ट अस में ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानी सेल का जो इसका एड्रेस है, इसके फ़ोन नंबर, लैंडलाइन नंबर हैं, इसका व्हाट्सएप नंबर है और इनकी ईमेल एड्रेसेस हैं। इस वेब पोर्टल में जो प्रीवियस जो विजिट जो इवेंट्स हैं पाकिस्तान ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानी इवेंट्स हैं, जो सबसे जो वन डे सेमिनार ऑन द राइट्स ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानी, उसकी पिक्चर गैलरीज हैं, वीडियोज़ हैं, उसकी स्पीचेज़ हैं, ये भी यहाँ पे वेब पोर्टल पे अवेलेबल हैं। देन वी हैव यूजफुल लिंक्स जिसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान के एक्सपेक्ट्रिएट पाकिस्तानी कंप्लेंट विंग है, ह्यूमन राइट सेल है, उसके बाद ये पंजाब ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानी कमीशन का लिंक है और जब पंजाब अकेडमी का लिंक है। तो ये जो वेब पोर्टल है, जो न्यूली डेवलप्ड वेब पोर्टल है, और इसमें जो कंप्लेंट फॉर्म है, ये प्रोवाइडिंग कंप्लीट मैकेनिज्म फॉर द ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानीज फॉर रेसल ऑफ द ग्रीवेंस एट द क्लिक ऑफ ए बटन। थैंक यू वेरी मच।